Hello guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to upgrade fast on our Poppo Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live app. The next thing you have to do is to tap on the profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the level option. So when you tap on the level option, it's going to take you to the next phase of your Poppo Live app, where you're going to see the required coin for you to be able to upgrade your Poppo Live. So if you want to upgrade on the wealth level, we have two phases for it. We have the honor level and the normal level. So upgrading under level 1, you just require 0 level. Level 2 required 3000 coin, and level 3 required 6000 coin, while level 4 required 16,000 coin, and so on. But if you want to upgrade on the live stream, you just have to tap on the live stream level there, which will take you to the next phase of your Poppo Live. So you see the required coin. For you to upgrade to level 2, you require 10,000 coin. To level 3 requires 20,000 coin. So guys, that's it on how to upgrade on your Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to